This is a quick update and it's a breaking news. Toyota has recalled 2020-2022 Toyota and Lexus. Back over 1 million cars have been recalled due to airbag failure. In the news, Fox News stated that Toyota recalled these cars due to passenger airbag improper manufacturing, and it was not proper manufactured, so they have quickly want to react to it and fix them back to their owners to drive safety when there is a crash or any accident. So I got the news and I said no, I have to update my audience to know this, because a lot of my audience have been using Toyota worldwide, and this is something good that I have to share with you guys in order to maintain safety when you are driving. So this is it. So if you have know that you have bought a car from Toyota, any company in the world, please, you have to take this car back so that they can able to fix it for you. If you know you haven't bought the car from Toyota direct, please, you are not required to do so. This is required to those who bought the car from Toyota company direct. You have able to send it to them to work on the airbag issues, because we are driving, but our safety is more concerned and it's more important. Anything can happen while you are on the road driving, and we have to always look safety. And airbag is our main concern. It's our main safety equipment in the car when driving or when the car is in motion. So let's watch the video how Fox News clarify or update it. We will come back and continue, and I'll give you more tips.
More than 1 million vehicles, certain 2020 to 2022 Toyota and Lexus models, are being recalled after an airbag system malfunction was detected. Sensors in the front passenger seat could have been improperly manufactured, causing a short circuit and the airbag not to deploy as designed in certain crashes. For all vehicles involved, Toyota and Lexus dealers will inspect those sensors and replace them at no cost if necessary.
Okay, now this is the video from the Fox News in the United States of America, and this is the main news from Toyota company. They have used their system to detect that the passenger airbag is not properly manufactured, so everybody must react quickly to send the car back so that they can able to work on it and rectify the fault. Please, if you have a car and you want to check if your car is required in this category or this thing, based on the 2020-2022 models, if you have a pen, if you have a laptop, you have a phone, please write it down. I'm giving you the website so that you can check on it to check whether your car is involved or not. Go to the toyota.com/recall, toyota.com/recall. Then you get an interface, toyota.com/recall. You can use your browser, Google Chrome or your Safari to search toyota.com/recall. Then the interface will open. What you do is that if you are in the state, there is no need for you to change the state. If you are in any other country, you have to change the state. Then you can enter your VIN number, which is the chassis number. Then this will automatically give you all the information you need to work on this issue. If you don't want to use the VIN number, enter your car registration number into the box below, then you click on access, then it will open an interface for you. This will give you the necessary information to figure out whether your brand or the type of car you are using is involved or not. This is based on or required on these two cars, Toyota, Lexus and Toyota, from 2020 to 2022 model. 2023 also required and detected about Tundra and Tundra Hybrid. So if you are using 2023 Tundra or Tundra Hybrid, you are also required to do so, because their system has also detected that the airbag system was not properly manufactured and is malfunctioning. In case of any crash or accident, it will not work at all. It will completely fail. So you have to react quickly as soon as possible. But remember, if you have not purchased the car from Toyota direct, you are not required, or you are not qualified to send the car to any Toyota dealership to check it out for you. It's over 1 million cars that their system has detected that the airbag system is not proper manufactured. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Please share the video, comment, share to everybody, share to any part of your social media, your family and friends, so that everybody, I think everybody in this world, almost 90% of people use car. So why don't you share the video to others to benefit? So we have to share it. And I thank you for those who have been sharing my video, subscribers who have been subscribed for a long time, and the new subscribers. I really appreciate your support. Continue to support this vision, and we will come out victorious and big glory in the future. Bye bye. Until I meet you next time, stay updated.